Hello, my name is Davidas and I'm gonna try to do this hand-in for image processing. And I think we can start with the final problem statement that we had in our project. And that is, to what extent will a story told through multimodal AV production differ from a conventional non-adaptive AV production regarding the user's emotional experience? So this doesn't tell much about what kind of IP problems there should be. Besides the fact that we are going to work with linear and nonlinear AV production as in adaptive and non-adaptive. Anyways, so the problem that we're gonna approach, I guess, or in this is how can we use image processing tool to identify and analyze real-time emotions such as smile. I just came up with this real quickly. Anyways, we for this project we needed to make something that detects the smile, or as in the smile represents the emotional experience anyways. So that's why we need a tool for to recognize those. So anyways, as we can go into a code, and I'm gonna try to talk about that. So I guess what we needed to use was to use a facial recognition tool through image processing and or a face detector or smile detector, you can call it anyway, uh, that detects the emotional state of the user. And here we have the code, which is a header file, the main code, basically. And this is some buttons that is not important for image processing, I guess. These are more these are the ones that are related to it. So we used, I think, three types or something like that. We used open frameworks for this project, OpenCV, and a few examples from the classes like Video Grabber. Uh, yes. Anyways, Video Grabber and face detection. So here we have two type of images of images for an image like this and this. Then we have R finder for of a of CV OpenCV. Uh, we have three of those here. Then we have a video grabber of yeah, and a video player also for scenes because we want to play a movie. Uh, then we have integers for like duration, timer, and etc. Then we have a string and string, and then we initialize the values like this 11. This is not the initializer, but this is the string of 11 movies that we have, and then endings, etc. So in the code, the main code, this is the main, but this is the the one that you code in. We start off by initializing the variables, the width and height, minimum values and stuff. Then we have a movie list of these are the beginnings and these are the endings of the movie. We had to put them into separate folders, I guess. Then we have load movie scene, which is an intro. Well, it's basically always the same, so it's gonna load it anyways. That's not important. So this line is a hard cascade, which basically just helps to for a finder to detect describe the faces. The hard cascade is an object detection of particular type of faces or objects, really. Uh, the way it works is that it uses digital features to look for more features of something that it wants to detect, and then makes it into one picture. That's then it relies on context and spatial relations. Yeah, that's I hope you get it. Then for that matter, we also have these two setups for smile detection and they are placed in different positions. That's why we have two of those. This line is for getting the video from the webcam. So this is where the main code actually starts to happen, I guess. And here's the video grabber updater that updates the feed every time, so it makes it more or less like a real-time recognizer, right? And once it gets some feedback, then it starts to go in here into this code, and it grabs the screen as in the webcam feed, and uh, and then saves it into the picture for here. After it saves it, then it loads it again due to so it can also work with the picture, not only with the one that it got feed from, but also from the side one that it loaded. Uh, yeah. Then we have some more code for the, this is just for the smile detection. This one was for face detection, and then there's smile detection. Really, here's more code about. Yeah, this is just for selecting the movies that we worked with. It's really irrelevant for this image processing because it just gets switch cases, and yeah, and that's not important. Okay, anyways, we load the movie here. There's more switch case. And here in the draw function, we set the color to gray, white, and white colors. Then we have the location of where to draw that that received feedback from webcam, and that is at this width and height. Then we have this of no fill that just doesn't fill with some random stuff. Picture like it's not black or whatever. Uh, and then we have a for function for loop for for blobs. Blob itself is it just works as in it goes for every small object in the I could say that it goes through very small objects and creates a bigger image. And if it detects those small objects, of course, so it goes through a lot of filters. And if at one place it finds the small object, and the other place it also finds the object, then it creates outputs into the bigger picture. Anyways, so this blob is built-in function really, so it's just good to have one. And yeah, that's about it for the code, I think. Well, we have some. This one was for this for the face, to detect the face, uh, and to draw what the camera is seeing, and then to draw the outlines for this blob function to as in oh, this one also draws the rectangle that that I didn't say just yet. Uh, Once it finds the image that it seems like an object, so it detects the face, and bounds the rectangle to that face. So it's always moving if the face is moving, of course. And yeah, then we have after this rectangle is graded, we have image crop line for just actually cropping the image that the camera sees, as in it doesn't show the whole room, just the important place, just the important location, or whatever the word is for that. So it just locates the face and some more space around it. And here we have the same thing for, I guess, yes, this is for the smile. Yep, and then that's about it. This one is the for loop is for face, This is for small, and I'll try to show you how it actually works. So it's far easier to understand it. And there's more code to this, but that goes to just numbers and parameters for the open frameworks examples and add-ons. So I don't want to go into that; it's too complicated. But at least we know how it works. Okay, so that's about it. Thanks for watching, and yeah, bye.